Let's open a new Excel workbook. We open the Development menu and click on the View Code item to access the code editor. We double-click on this workbook item and choose Workbook from the drop-down menu. We then go to select the Before Save routine, which is the one we will program. Having displayed the Before Save routine, we insert the code inside it and go to comment it out. The Before Save routine is passed the two parameters of type Boolean. The Save OSUI parameter, which if valued at true indicates that the user typed the Save As button from the Excel file menu. The Cancel parameter, which if valued at false, default value, indicates that the Excel save function is active. In the first two lines of code, we declare two variables, one of type FileDialog in which we will store the reference to the dialog box we will define, and the name of the file to be proposed in the dialog box with which to save the file. We check, in the first instance, whether the user has pressed the Save As button from the file menu, by means of the value of the variable Save OSUI. When the user presses the Save As button from the file menu, this variable takes on the value true, in which case we value the variable str file name. We set the variable cancel to true, so as to disable Excel's save functionality, and we define a custom dialog box by going to value some parameters of the dialog box itself, such as title. Controlling the show parameter of the dialog box allows us to handle the case where the user cancels the custom save procedure, in which case the code just following the next section word is executed, bypassing the Saves As function. In the case where the user decides to save the goal, we activate Excel's save functionality, and with the Save As function we save the file, in the location and with the name defined by the user through the custom dialog box. The last line of code sets the cancel variable to false. This means that we disable the save functionality, in order to avoid opening the default Save As dialog box. At this point we close the code editor. We open the File menu, click on Save As and see that the custom dialog box opens with the proposed file name. Saving, we see that indeed the file has been saved with the chosen name.